Hi, namaste friends. Today morning I have received an email from Google, that is YouTube. So there are few changes in the AdSense that has been made. When I read that email, I was really shocked. We are reaching out because Google will be required to deduct US taxes. So the creators who are outside United States, they have to submit their tax information to the Google because Google is a United States company, and YouTube, the people who are watching our videos inside the United States, the revenue which we are getting from those views, that has to be taxed. That's the reason they are trying to get our tax information in order to tax us properly. If we are unable to submit the tax information, so what will happen? Let us read a few more lines here. So what do I need to do? So in the first few weeks you will receive an email to submit the tax information in AdSense. So in AdSense we have to submit our tax information. What is that information? I will let you know in the video. So the online tax tool in the AdSense has 6 steps that will ask you series of questions to guide you through the process to determine which type of taxes that apply. So in which category you belongs to, in which tax slab you belongs to, this will ask you. So when you log into your AdSense, there will be an option under payments where you have to submit your tax information. So why it is happening? So according to the chapter 3 of United States International Revenue Code to collect tax. So chapter 3 of United States, as per their tax law, a, a revenue code to collect tax information from all monetizing creators outside the US. So we are trading inside the United States from outside the country. We are selling our goods inside the United States from as a external seller. So that is the reason they are taxing us. So how will my earnings would be impacted? So the tax information, United States taxes may be applied on monthly earnings, may be applied on your monthly earnings. That is US earnings. That means that is when if your video is viewed inside the United States, then you will be taxed. If you did not update your tax information, 24% of your total earnings worldwide, not only United States, worldwide, whatever amount you earn, that would be taxed 24% completely. That means 24% of your tax will be deducted from the total earnings. Like if you have earned $100, then $24 will be deducted from your earnings. That is what it is. So this is what the email is all about. Let us go to the document, the support document which they have provided. This is a support document. We have frequently asked questions how to update it. So I am logging into the AdSense and helping you out how to do that. But don't do that yet because we have still time. So we will understand what exactly the United States tax process. I'm not sure about it. So I have to check how exactly we need to update these details and what needs to be selected and everything. It would be available under payments in the AdSense. Once you log into your AdSense account, under payments you will have tax information, manage your tax information. There you need to enter the details. So I will let you know what type of tax information you need to select. So please wait.